But you said, you got into BHEL.
Yes, sir.
So that was in the stream of engineering that you have done,
Yes, sir.
electrical.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
So why did you leave that? BHEL is a good company.
Yes, sir. It's a very good company. And even after joining there, I came to know that I was into system softwares and quality check. But somewhere I realized after some time that it's not something where I want to pursue myself. Maybe I'll be working day and night, I'll be earning money, but this is the kind of place where I'll not get the satisfaction, because I was always aspired for the defense forces, sir. And I thought, when I have opportunity, why not to go for that? Because with the same knowledge, with the same background, I can also see myself in the defense forces, because there is a entrance for the engineering students also with the same streams, sir.
When you say, interested in defense, so when did this interest start?
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, I always from my childhood saw the passing out parades of
Hmm.
the officers. So whenever I used to go there, I used to tell my father, I also want a uniform. So he
Hmm.
told me, uske layak bano. Be deserving to wear the uniform, then only you will get that. It's not only about aspiring. And
Hmm.
I remember one of the army officer who came to attend the passing out parade. Though there was everywhere the brown color uniform, it was there, but my attention was only going on that olive green color uniform, because that officer, he was the attitude which he was carrying, the discipline which he was carrying, the his way of talking, his way of carrying himself was so attractive. Then when I came home and I asked, uh, Papa, who was that person? Then he told he was a major general. And at the same time, we were watching the army parade in the Republic Day parade, same in the TV also. And then at the time, it came that the best marching contingent was Indian Army. And when I saw that video again and again, it was so mechanical, not even a flaw. It was just like robots were doing the parade. And I always aspired for a disciplined life where I can use all my. I never went out on any adventures, sir. And I think this will give me an opportunity for whatever I'm looking for.
You said, you were inspired by watching passing out parade. So this passing out parade at the police academy, you say,
Yes, sir.
right? So why not police? They're also disciplined forces and uniform and everything like that.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think when it comes to police or armed forces, we we definitely agree with the fact that the respect for the armed forces, how much it is there in the society. Second thing, sir, yes, there are people in the police forces in my family, but there's no one in the armed forces in my family, sir, especially in Indian Army. So I think it would be a great thing for me if I make it as a first person in the Indian Army from my complete family, sir.
Right. So Indian Army, you want to join. So what do you think, where do you fit into the Indian Army with
Yes, sir.
your qualifications?
Yes, sir. So there's a branch called Corps of Engineers, and also EME, that is Electronics and Mechanical Engineers. So I think these are the two fields where I can fit very well with my education background and also with all my capabilities, sir.